IPTV buffering is one of the most annoying streaming problems. Videos pause, stutter, or won't load properly. Since IPTV relies fully on your internet connection, even small issues can ruin your viewing experience. In this video, we'll quickly explain why IPTV buffering happens and how you can fix it. What causes IPTV buffering? Buffering usually comes from a few common issues. Slow or unstable internet connection. Too many devices using the same network. Weak Wi-Fi signal or outdated router device performance issues. How to fix IPTV buffering. Start by checking your internet speed to make sure it meets streaming requirements. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection, or move closer to your router and use the 5 GHz band. Next, optimize your device. Close unused apps, clear cache, and keep your IPTV app and device updated. If buffering continues, try lowering the stream quality slightly to improve stability. Server and provider issues. If only certain channels buffer, the issue may be server-side. Test different channels or devices to confirm. Contact your IPTV provider with details or switch servers if available. Reliable services like NetGo TV are known for stable servers and smoother streams. By fixing your network, optimizing your device, and choosing a reliable IPTV service, you can enjoy smooth, buffer-free streaming. Thanks for watching. Visit our website today and start a free 3-day trial.